Guys, your camera is off. Can you please on? Okay. Yeah. Am I audible?
Audible, ma'am.
Thank God. Okay. Okay. Much and so sorry about first time I'm handling. I mean, a Zoom class. So, okay. Still unit. So here we will be actually talking about values for ethical decision making. So first two units, it's just the beginning. I mean the introduction part. All okay? Audible?
Ma'am. No, ma'am. There's a network issue, ma'am. Network issue. Network issue.
What happened? I can't hear you.
We have a network issue, ma'am. Network issue. क्या मिला?
Nothing. That's why even before, that's why I disconnected. I was not able to hear you guys.
Hey, कंसा कर रहे
But when you were standing here, Durai, I could hear. Yeah. But now nothing.
Issues we are not able to.
Yeah, I can see you guys are saying something, but I'm not able to hear anything. There's a network problem. Okay. Oh my God.
VVR.
VV left. கொண்டுருவேன்
மேம் பொறுமையா காத்துட்டு இருக்கேன் என்ன மெசேஜ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்
Okay.
வெயிட் பண்ணு நீ இன்னும் மெதுவா இருக்க
வாய்ஸ் இஸ் பிரேக்கிங்
வெயிட் விட்டு எங்கடா இங்க இருந்து நெட்வொர்க் பைத்தியா பையா அது இல்ல ஏய் வைஃபை வந்தா சொல்லுடா பைத்தியா பசங்களா
Durai, I can hear you now. I can hear you now. Can you hear me? Now I can hear you. I can hear you now.
But we are not able to hear you properly, ma'am. வரலடா ரீஃப்ரெஷ் எல்லாம் ಮಾಡಕ டிவைஸ் பேர் நாடா பைத்தியம்
Am I audible? Am I audible?
So I can hear you.
Students? Am I audible, students?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible? Is it clear? Hello? Are you there? Students, am I audible?
So they just logged out. They are rejoining now.
Okay.
Hey, what is this?
Cancel.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Is it that clear? Can you start off? Lakshmi, Lakshmi, you start the class, please. Lakshmi, Lakshmi, am I audible, Lakshmi?
Now you're not audible.
Guys, am I?
No,